Good morning. It's day 67. I feel so much better today. I really was so bad yesterday. I feel so much better. And this morning was kind of a challenge, like getting cleaned up and stuff, because Hillsborough County is under a boil water notice, and it's so bad that they're telling us not even to wash our dishes until we get the clear of no bacteria or whatever. So it's a very eventful morning. You brushing your teeth and getting all cleaned up without using water out of the faucet. So yeah, boiling water and using hot water out of our water dispenser is kind of crazy. Anyways, like I can't even wash my shaker cup, so I have to use a clear cup today. Alright, so our apple cider, gummies, and super greens. Sea moss gummies. And take my ginger shot gummy. I don't even have my ginger shot. Hold on. I'm gonna have to juice more today. Today's tomorrow's the last day of school. So excited about that. The rest of the ginger lemon shot. Cheers. Fat burner. The cat like eats my flowers. It's weird, right? Been doing these in the morning and at night. I do the energy and the multi in the middle of the day. They're kind of good though. Chocolate acai berry flavor. I'm shaking my cup. 2 shots of espresso. I don't like not having my shaker cup. It's weird. Those inches on your waist burn your belly fat. Make you not as hungry. I love this stuff. It's amazing. I'm gonna go drink more. Hmm? In the diaper bag. I'm gonna bring this girl to school. Then I'm gonna go get some paper goods, cause this no cleaning dishes.
What are you getting?
Paper plates. Alright, now. See you later. I got this really weird sudden urge to clean out my entire pantry. So now I have my entire kitchen a mess. But cleaning and organizing makes me happy. Finally finished. I cleaned absolutely everything because we had these dishes in our sink when that water thing happened, and they told us not even to wash our dishes because of possible bacteria. So I just washed everything that was in our sink, plus all the containers that was in our fridge. You can hear my husband, he's on his lunch break and he called me. So now I'm about to make a snack, and I cleaned out my fridge and threw away everything, and the groceries don't get delivered till 1 o'clock. So it's 12:17. I'm going to make a bagel thin. They're the thin ones, they're 110 calories, and I'm going to put some cream cheese on it. So that's what I'm gonna have for a snack, because I got some apples. I really just purged and threw away everything. I did the same thing in the pantry, but yeah. I've been very productive, babe. Very productive. All while the kids are home. Look at me. So I changed my mind while I was waiting for my bagel thins to toast in the air fryer. So I have one with cream cheese and strawberry preserves, and then I have one with peanut butter and banana. Don't that look so good? Don't that look good, babe?
Very good.
Oh wait, you can't see it. There you go.
I want some of that when I get home.
Okay. I am at car rider line now with her and him and her. Anyways, I don't have a snack. I have my tea. Bought a bunch of these because we weren't supposed to be using our water and I didn't want to dirty dishes. And as soon as I bought all of our paper goods, the water thing is lifted and now we can use our water again. So now we have a crap load of paper goods, but it comes in handy. This is what I have. I'll have a snack when I get home and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. So we'll see you guys later. Brooklyn wants to show her creation. What is that?
It's Minnie Mouse house.
So beautiful.
She has her kitchen, that's where she cooks. And this is her stairs to get upstairs to her bed and her couch and her bathroom.
Okay, so I'm home from the grocery store. I'm about to put away all these dishes I cleaned earlier. And at the same time, I'm gonna cook these. Cadence came with me to Aldi and she decided that she wanted to eat some of these tonight. So I'm gonna cook some burgers. And that's that. So I'll show you what I eat when I'm done making. Well, here's my food. I'm having a top of a bun. Yes, sir. I am. Alright, dinner is done. The kitchen is clean. I'm not having a shake because I literally just ate that burger. So I'm going to take all of my nightly stuff. I'm going to start with the calm. Whoop, whoop. Nice catch, baby. Good job, man. That was so gangster. These are the calms. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I weighed myself this morning and I'm 16 pounds down. Might have just gained back a couple ounces, but this morning I was 16 pounds down. We'll see tomorrow if it's still at 16. But when I get to day 100, I'm going to do a side-by-side on day 100. Just
if you think about it, that's like really close.
I don't know, I'm at 60 something already. Okay, so I don't know if you guys have seen, but my new tea kit order form is so legit, it's perfect. I spent today working on that and working on some YouTube vlogs that like just uploaded. So I totally forgot to take my multi. I think that's why I was kind of hungry because like I didn't really eat. Like we just been on the go. I'm gonna take my multi because I didn't take it yet. And then fat burner. Definitely need to take it out. It really wasn't that bad. It was just a Angus burger.
I don't know, but it was thick and it was good.
Yeah, it was good. And we made it at home. Like we didn't go out and get like these big crazy burgers. Brooklyn's saying hi. If you want to order a tea kit, in the description to this video, there's my link tree. Just click that and you'll see the first link is for tea kit orders. This is my liver treatment. Just taking this real quick while I'm at it.
Mom, what is 2 plus 2 mean?
2 plus 2 is 4. This is my apple cider vinegar. The last 2 in here, so I gotta open a new one in the morning.
I knew what.
Maybe I should just open it now so it'll be ready in the morning.
Plus
2 of these.
2 plus 2
2 super brain. I don't write good.
2 plus 2 equals what?
equals 3. Water. Equal 2 means 4.
Too much gummies. My 30 days of gummies are almost gone, y'all. That's sad. It's all that.
Look. Don't you touch them flowers below.
She's eating them.
Below?
Willow is totally eating my Mother's Day flowers. She's like making poopery. Oh my god, you see how she takes the petals off?
Stop it.
Look. She's making her poop smell good.
Sorry. It definitely doesn't help.
So I'm gonna drink a lot of water. I'm gonna go work some more and watch a movie with my husband. We watched, what did we watch? Me and Kaden started watching something last night, but then it turned into watching TikToks till like 1:30 in the morning, which was absolutely ridiculous. I don't even know how that happened. But yeah, I'm gonna go do all that and then I'll get cleaned up and go lay down. But that's it for today. Tomorrow's Friday. Kamara was not supposed to go to school tomorrow, but she decided she wants to go. It's only for 4 hours. She's supposed to hang out with her friends. So I'll be back in the morning for our last ride to school. You want to say hi? You have ice cream all over your face. When? You're so cute. It's almost 10 o'clock and these kids are like wild right now. Don't push him like that. Alright, y'all. See you on the next video.
To eat that.
Almonds is a good snack.
I like almonds with apples. I have to eat it together.
I totally lied to y'all. I'm not gone yet. I'm going to make tea for my husband and I.
Eat my sock. Eat the cats on me.
Little cats.
Lola got them for me for Christmas. I totally just pulled out Reggie in your video.
Cadence is having coffee.
He's so cute. I cannot. When I mix sometimes, I forget that like I don't like when the foam is on the top. It's nasty, so I scoop the foam off.
We need more aloe. This aloe getting kind of low.
Yeah, the mandarin.
Oh,
My baby.
can't really like this.
Yeah. When I get a job, I'm gonna pay you for making aloe.
Oh, okay.
How much is one aloe?
I don't know. I
Do
gotta
they
look.
have a little
It's
size?
be a discount. No.
Oh.
Well, this is the little
That's
size.
as little as it gets.
Yeah, the other one's a half a gallon. Alright guys, this is our teas. We're gonna drink tea and chillax. Now, I will see you on the next video. Bye!